Transforming your kitchen into the heart of your home is an exciting journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. It all begins with a detailed consultation to understand your vision and needs. Then, our team swings into action, starting with the demolition of your old kitchen. We carefully remove cabinets, countertops, and appliances, prepping the space for a fresh start. Next, the magic happens. We install custom cabinetry, high-quality countertops, and state-of-the-art appliances, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned and functional. Our skilled craftsmen pay attention to every detail, from precise measurements to flawless finishes. Finally, we add those finishing touches, like lighting, backsplashes, and hardware that bring your new kitchen to life. The result? A beautiful, functional space where your family will love to gather. From start to finish, we make the remodeling process smooth and stress-free.